Thank you, Matt. We're learning how $22 million in federal funding will be spent in Wisconsin's 3rd Congressional District. Congressman Derek Van Orden secured the community project funding announced yesterday. It includes $600,000 for a mortuary facility in Chippewa County. When St. Joseph's Hospital closed in Chippewa Falls, the county lost access to its morgue facilities and had to rely on private funeral home facilities for autopsies and death investigations. That's when the county applied for this funding. Now that the Chippewa Valley Health Co-op has partially reopened St. Joseph's and resumed morgue services. Chippewa County Sheriff Travis Hakes says they will now look at options for how that funding can be used.
When we originally applied for the grant, we were susceptible to private business and HSHS closing the doors on the morgue. That's why we submitted the grant, so we could be self-reliant and not reliant on private business to take care of our deceased here in Chippewa County.
Another $2.2 million is headed to the city of Altoona to replace the water system in Hillcrest Estates, which would bring the mobile home parks up to the DNR standard for water pressure. And a separate $5 million for Western Wisconsin was included in the bill that ended the government shutdown earlier this week. The funding was secured with help from Senator Tammy Baldwin. It includes $202,000 for UW Stout's Center for Innovation and Development. That program allows a small business owner to bring in an idea for a product, and UW Stout students work on the research, design, and development process to create a prototype. That helps small business owners who don't have the resources to develop their product ideas and gives students firsthand experience.
We're excited about it. I think it's going to really help us take the center kind of to the next level as we're kind of repositioning and really trying to open up campus to the community and become a 12-month active, easy to access campus.
Another $900,000 in that bill is headed to the Pablo Center. That will be used to fund programs for low-income families and for veterans to access live performances, early career artist residencies, and for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math education programs for students.
This will allow us to grow our structure, our team. We can do it in a way that keeps us stable and serve the community. So this is more than just a gift to Pablo Center. This is really a gift to the community.